Hi guys, I'm Nicole. Welcome to Red Panda Cooking. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be making some simple yet delicious Chinese noodles. I call this dish Happy Chinese Noodles because whenever I eat this dish, I feel happy. The pork belly has been in the freezer for 2 hours. It will be semi-frozen and slightly easier to slice. Tenderize the pork belly with the back of your knife if you don't have a meat tenderizer. Whack the pork belly on both sides. Once the pork belly has defrosted, just lightly season with salt. We need a nice balance of garlic, ginger, and several ingredients. If you're using pork collar, use slightly more oil. For the pork belly, I'm using just 1 tablespoon of oil. Test with a piece of garlic. Okay, it's hot enough. Cook for about 30 seconds or slightly fragrant before adding the ginger. Cook the ginger for about 5 seconds. Add the pork belly and cook for about a minute. As you cook, lard will be rendered from the pork belly. Add rice wine, followed by chicken stock and simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I recommend adding the carrots and the enoki mushroom and cook for another 5 minutes. Enoki mushroom are mild in flavor and taste kinda like delicious al dente noodles when cooked. In the meantime, bring a pot of water to a rapid boil and we're going to cook the noodles. Make sure there's constant sufficient boiling water and stir frequently. This will ensure that the noodles will be cooked evenly and not become mushy. Once the noodles are cooked, drain immediately and wash the noodles in cold water for about 1 minute. Drain well and set aside. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and just a dash of white pepper. Too much white pepper will disrupt the balance of harmonious flavors I'm trying to create here. Add the spinach, spring onion, and cook for 1 minute. Depending on the type of vegetables you are using, the cooking time will vary. Overcooked vegetables doesn't look or taste as good. Make sure the cornstarch mixture is mixed well before adding it in. Give it a good stir and taste. The taste has to be more intense and more salty so that when mixed with the noodles it will be just nice. I'll be just using the egg white. Pour in the egg white while stirring. Cook the egg white for about 8 seconds. If the egg white is cooked just right, it will be soft and smooth. Mix well. This savory dish has so many layers of flavor. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.